What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Reddit for the first time. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then type in Reddit. You will see the first official website, Reddit, the heart of internet. Just click on that website, and if you are new to Reddit, on your right side, as you can see these three dots, just simply sign in, or if you have already previously visited Reddit, just simply log in, and after logging in, just enter your email and password and you will be redirected to the home page of Reddit. Now here, you on your left side, you can see that you can create a custom feed, you can create a community, you can see about Reddit, about advertising, you can see the blogs, careers, communities, and you can even go through the topics. And here are some of the options to explore someone or who's popular currently. And if you want to create your first post, on your right side, as you can see, this create post, just click on this create post option, and in your mobile app you will also see it on your right side or on the left side on this menu. In your phone you will see the same option of create, and here in the website on your laptop you will see it on the right side. After clicking, you will enter the title, and after entering the title, just give your body just type or paste your content and then click on post. After that, you will be successfully able to post on Reddit. And if you want to post images and video, click on images and video and you can drag and drop your media. And if you want to add a link, you can add a link. You can just simply copy and paste the link here and click on post to post that link. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.